Understanding the duty-free zone concept. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, duty-free zone. This term is commonly heard in international travel and shopping contexts. But what does it actually mean? Let's dive in and find out. A duty-free zone refers to an area, usually in an international airport or border area, where goods can be purchased without the addition of certain local or national taxes and duties. This often results in lower prices compared to regular stores. The key here is that these goods are meant to be taken out of the country, hence the tax exemption. When you shop in a duty-free zone, you're buying items that are exempt from import duties and taxes. This is because the items are not intended to be used in the country of purchase but are to be taken to another destination. This exemption is what makes the prices more attractive and can lead to significant savings on certain products, like alcohol, tobacco, and luxury goods. Duty-free shops are commonly found in international airports, seaports, and border towns. They cater primarily to international travelers. It's important to note that each country has its own rules on what can be bought duty-free and how much you can bring back home without paying additional taxes. Shopping in a duty-free zone can be beneficial as it offers potential savings on various products. However, there are limitations too. There are restrictions on the quantity and type of goods you can purchase. Plus, not all products are cheaper in duty-free shops, so it's wise to compare prices before making a purchase. I hope this video has shed light on what a duty-free zone is and how it works. Remember, while it can be a great place to find deals, it's always good to be aware of the limitations and rules. Happy travels and happy shopping! See you in the next video.